fucking 4 in the morning. Ben's not up yet. Jesus, man. Fucking locked.
Alright boys, we just made it across the border again. Got searched again.
No doubt, man. Every time. Without fail.
Great time. We got Ben this time. So we're going to meet up with DJ and Quentin, and we're gonna trade Adam's watts for, what are you getting again? The 4AG swap and
Quentin's coilovers and his 4AG swap. So yeah,
man, it'd be a good time, boys.
Be there in 17 minutes apparently. So
Ben's got the Bang energy drink.
Yeah, we're gonna try every energy drink.
Yeah, we gotta try them all, man. We figured we'd try these. Tastes kind of like piss, but
in a good way.
That's okay.
yeah, it's all right.
Pretty much loosened everything and like pulled the wiring, drive shafts out, transmission mount is loosened. Basically we just have to pop a couple nuts and this thing should come right out. So
All right, so we made it. Back with the boys, man.
back with the boys. We're back with the boys as well.
Adam's back.
So many boys.
And we're with a boy we've never met.
And then we got Ben San.
It's nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, he gave you the 8.6 hood.
Yeah,
thank you.
That was it.
Yeah, no problem.
Looks
There
like
she is.
Adam's got a pretty decent puddle to lay in. Pull the engine out or what? Your engine, your puddle, man.
That's Ben's puddle. That's where we brought him.
That's my
Puddle layer.
It's still my engine. Until it comes out of the car. I'll take the puddle.
Yeah, right, so we're not staying the night this time, so probably set up a time lapse and blast out the old NG poo. And
And then Popeyes and fucking back to Canada.
then, no doubt.
Hit Harbor Freight too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And then this is our first like real wrenching session.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
that's a fact. Last time you guys came over, we just dicked around and just said, "Fuck it, let's get drunk and eat sandwiches."
We slapped the hood on and
That's crazy.
called it a day.
That's crazy.
Getting ready to Yankee the doodler. Quentin's putting on the chain for the engine goist. So yeah.
What's up, dude?
Oh, just chilling, bro. I heard they're pulling a motor.
Yeah,
I was
same.
just gonna come film it.
Kind of showed up. Yeah, same.
It's like a Renaissance painting,
That's only the second motor we've ever pulled.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird?
It's also not true.
Huh?
The KA, my Civic,
Oh yeah.
yes, and then
Wait.
Yeah, so we got the engine from Quentin. We gave him the watts, and they're gonna look sick on his car. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. And engine.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
We're gonna come up and see you guys next.
Hell yeah, that'll be sick. Yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe to Moreskids.
Oh, fuck, we forgot to say that. Oh shit.
Subscribe to Moreskids. They Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Otherwise,
Check out their
fuck
merch
off.
store.
Yeah, check out the merch.
And
Link in
check out
bio.
Garage Tenoshi.
Oh, hell yeah.
This guy. Yeah, do that.
Nice.
And check out moreskids.bigcartel.com.
Questionable.
Check out Facebook.com. Check out
Check out
MySpace.com. Check out YouTube.com.
Hell yeah.
Check out Snapchat.
Check out X videos.
All right, so we just got back to Ben's house. It's way too late at night. We're just gonna unload the engine really quick, maybe chuck it up on the stand, we'll see, and go from there. Bought this stand at Harbor Freight, $50.
That's good value.
Yeah, they're like 140 at Canadian Tire, so always had to pick that up. And we didn't get nearly as fucked as we thought we would at the border coming back through.
Yeah, lady was being a bit of a bitch. But didn't even like, we had this like, this tarp over the motor and she didn't even ask us to like, blow under it.
Yeah, that's a big dump.
She was kind of blowing it. Honestly, I feel like our country's safety is in danger.
I'd say so. Yeah, she let us
Because there
right
could have been,
through.
there could have been literally a ton of crystal meth under this. But
Yeah, no doubt.
luckily we're great guys. So. This glove is nasty. But yeah, there's the engine. Thank you, Quentin, for the engine. There's the trans. Those held the
Dust cover.
the dust cover.
Yeah, I was just gonna put them in the back so we don't lose them.
All right, guys, there you have it. The 4AG from Quentin's AE86 with all our accessories. Yeah, that was a long,
A bitch of a day.
that was a long day.
Yeah, I guess next video we gotta do some refreshing on it.
Yeah, next video we're gonna tear it down. Cause what are we doing to it, Ben?
Refreshing it, I guess. Regasket.
Gaskets.
What's the fresh refresh?
Timing
What are we
belt.
doing to the head?
Taking
all that
that
shit.
off.
Head gasket.
Resurface, valves, them seals. We have the full gasket kit. Hopefully, maybe new oil pan if you want to. I don't know. New head gasket.
New head gasket. all
Make it
that
look
shit.
new.
Timing belt.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it look new. Paint the block. Polish everything up. Take all the EGR and ugly shit off. And then we're honestly pretty ready to swap. What else do we
Yeah.
need for the swap? Fuel pump.
Yeah.
A
Tank, maybe.
yeah, maybe a tank. The alt plug. Otherwise, I think it's pretty much it. It's pretty much it.
Nice, man.
Yeah. So yeah, comment. What are they commenting in? Their favorite energy drink?
Yeah. This is outro number 2. So.
Yeah. Ben's is Dr. Bang. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, show all your friends. We're trying to hit 10 million K. It's fucking difficult. We're struggling. But yeah, thanks for the support, guys.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Skidoo round 2.